Okay, now Mystery Lupin on X has shared some amazing images of the Samsung's upcoming magnetic charging pads or charging pucks, which look pretty high quality. As you can see in these images, we have got a small charging puck on which we have got Samsung logo and a high quality braided cable, and the other end is the USB Type-C connector which will go into your charging brick. These chargers will be compatible with the upcoming S26 series, and this uses the new Qi 2 wireless charging standard, meaning the charger attaches magnetically to the back of the phone, just like how Apple has been doing this for a long time. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to support fast 25-watt wireless charging with the new puck, while the standard S26 and S26 Plus will likely get 15-watt or 20-watt speeds. And this magnetic charger support might open up a plethora of accessories as well, but there has been no leak so far about these accessories which can be attached magnetically on the back of the phone. Let's wait and see that. Next, we have got some more exclusive leaked images from Android headlines which showcases the brand new colors of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The corner curvatures are more prominent here compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and this makes the phone more comfortable to hold. At the same time, it loses that boxy premium appeal of the Galaxy S24 Ultra or the S23 Ultra or the predecessors. So Samsung chose comfort over uniqueness, and we will have to live with it. And as we all know, the camera bump has also been tweaked. It now features a vertical pill shape on the base layer for 3 of the lenses, and you can also have a look at these renders of Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus. What you can notice is the curvature is almost similar to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Next, we have got more leaks about the Galaxy Buds 4 and Buds 4 Pro, which are going to be launched along with the Galaxy S26 series on 25th of February. The prices of the Buds 4 will remain at €179, while the Pro versions are expected to launch at €249, which is more or less the similar pricing of the previous version. These buds will be available in black and white color options. Samsung is moving away from the sharp triangular aesthetics of Buds 3 Pro to a much cleaner, flatter stem design. The distinctive light bar is gone, but pinch control will remain. The new case allows the buds to lay flat inside, similar to older Galaxy Buds models or other premium earbuds. It features a button for connecting and a small speaker grill to help locate the case if lost. The lid might also be slightly transparent here. A new head gesture feature will allow users to nod or shake their head to respond to calls, notifications, dismiss alarms, and interact with AI assistants, offering completely hands-free controls. And the Pro version of the buds will also bring back popular features like 360-degree recording and adaptive noise control. Next, if you love taking videos, you will like this next upgrade on the Galaxy S26 series. Reports say that the S26 Ultra is getting a major boost in zoom video quality. In the past, video from the zoom lens could be a bit shaky or blurry, but Samsung has reportedly improved the 5x zoom camera to deliver much smoother and cleaner videos. While the main camera remains at 200 megapixels, we can expect better image quality with less noise. Samsung is keeping the same hardware this time also. However, there are some minor improvements when it comes to images and video quality, low light performance. Those are the changes we are going to see with this all new S26 series. Next, as far as One UI 8.5 update is concerned, Samsung is still testing it on the devices. The recent leaks suggest that there are many more devices which Samsung is currently testing the One UI 8.5 on. The Flip 4, Fold 4, M05, F05, M55s, these are the devices which got added for One UI 8.5 internal beta testing. And currently on the S25 series, we are on One UI 8.5 beta 3. Beta 4 is expected anytime soon, or we might get a stable version itself in the month of February. So that is something we will have to wait for. Let's hope Samsung releases the stable version of 8.5 in the month of February itself for the S25 series. Fingers crossed. These are a few updates for you guys in today's video. Let me know whether you are upgrading your phone to Galaxy S26 series. Drop a comment, share your thoughts, and while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. The link for the wallpaper app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.